In earlier video, I explained many questions based on Heron's formula. Now more questions. Two parallel sides of trapezium are 60 and 77 centimeter. Other two sides are 25 and 26 centimeter. Find its area. Since it is trapezium, one pair of sides are parallel. Okay, so it is A, B, C, D. Now construction CX. Okay. Solution. So CX is parallel to AD. So we got AXCD. AXCD is parallelogram. DC equals to AX equals to 60 centimeter and CX equals to 25 centimeter. Okay. Now we will find out area of a triangle XCB to get altitude. Area of a triangle CXB. To get area of triangle CXB, we will apply Heron's formula. So S equals to 25 plus 26 plus 17 divided by, first I am writing formula, A plus B plus C divided by 2, that is 25 plus 26 plus 17 divided by 2. So value of S is 34. Now area equals to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, that is 34 minus 25, 34 minus 26 and 34 minus 17. It will be 34, 8 into 9 into 17. So 17 into 3 into 2 into 2. Yes. So area of a triangle is 204 centimeter square. Area of a triangle is this. Okay. Now we have to find out altitude. Again, area of a triangle CXB equals to half base into height. That is, we have to solve it here. So 204 equals to half, base is 17 and we have to find out height. So height equals to So height equals to 24 centimeter. Thus we got the height of trapezium. Now area of trapezium equals to half B1 plus B2 into height. So half B1 60 plus 77 into height is here 24. So 24 divided by 2 into 137 means 12 into 137. So 1644 centimeter square. So it's our answer. Now next question is, triangle and parallelogram have same base and same area. Sides of triangle are 13, 14 and 15 centimeter. Parallelogram stands on base 14 centimeter. Find height of parallelogram. So first we will draw diagram. 13, 14 and 15. And parallelogram stands on base 14. Means it is 14, it is also 14. And we have to find out height of parallelogram. Okay. So triangle A, B, C, D, E, and its height is X. Okay. So first we will find out area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. So S equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2 means 13 plus 14 plus 15 divided by 2, 42 divided by 2. So value of S is 21 centimeter. Now area equals to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. That is 21. 21 minus 13. 21 minus 14. 21 minus 15. So it is 7 into 3 into 8 into 7 into 6. Okay. So seven into 3 into 2 into 2. 84 centimeter square. So area of this triangle is 84 centimeter square. Since area of triangle equals to, it is given, area of triangle equals to area of parallelogram. It is given in question. Okay. So equals to 84 centimeter square. Area of parallelogram equals to, what is area of parallelogram? Area of parallelogram is base into height. So base is area we got 84, base is 14 and height. So height equals to 84 divided by 14. So 84 divided by 14, so 6 centimeter. Okay, we have to find out height of parallelogram. So height of parallelogram is 6 centimeter. It's our answer.